3,000 years ago, people start growing corn and eating corn, same as in my family. I will say I was 12 years old when I started cooking with my grandma, learning how to understand the ingredients. In Texas, people believe, Tex-Mex is what we serve. But me as a Mexican, I would like to go with another direction. This is all about Mexico and bringing those flavors to Texas. Hola, I'm Arturo Treviño, and we're at Canopy by Hilton San Antonio Riverwalk at Domingo Restaurante, and this is Off the Menu with Hilton. To start the process, place the corn, onions, and jalapenos on top of the grill. Cook them until they're charred. Chop the corn, let them cool down, and then we start the chopping process. Try to chop the vegetables in half-inch size and set them aside. After that, heat pan to high temp and add the butter. Let the butter melt, and then we start adding the ingredients. Add the corn, jalapenos, and onions. Stir constantly so you don't burn the butter. Saute the vegetables until they are fully cooked and tender, incorporating all the flavors. At the end, you add the salt, Southwest seasoning, and lime juice. In efforts to be sustainable, we search for local vendors as our providers for microgreens produce. Fresh ingredients make a huge difference, and the difference when something is fresh and when something is from scratch. Remove pan from the heat and place in a dish. And we finish with the rest of the ingredients: mayonnaise, Southwest seasoning, salt, lime juice, chili threads, and epazote. Cotija cheese. Finish with red chili oil. Now it's time to enjoy the dish. Whatever I'm bringing to the table, that's who I am. My mission is to transport you to Mexico here in San Antonio, Texas at Domingo Restaurante.